I know you probably won't believe this, but meal prep can actually taste like this. Listen to that crunch. Start with a simple base. Air fry the fish, remove the bones and flake it. And add boiled potatoes, green peas, onions, and a little ginger garlic. And just bring everything together. Just add all the basic spices and rice flour for the binding. Shape it into the kebabs. Lightly coat it with vermicelli for their texture and air fry. And suddenly it doesn't feel like meal prep anymore. But next part is the one that is the hero ingredient which changes everything. This Odia-style Bessara-inspired sauce, bold, slightly sour, and completely different. Pair it with the kebab, and you will understand why this works. Here is the next one, and the best part, it is still the same base. Shape it into the tikkis, coat it slightly with the semolina, and air fry again. Crispy outside, soft inside, and you would never guess this is made with so little oil. Have it like this or turn it into a wrap for an easy high protein meal. Just meal prep everything and enjoy whole week.